Hi, just a brief explanation about this. The main pot here is the pot that the water fountain's going to go in, and you can see there's a water pump in there already. He's got it threaded through that pot. He drilled a hole and put Loctite around it so water doesn't come out of there, because you don't want to lose your water from your fountain. And then underneath, he's this big pot here. You'll see little holes. He drilled little holes in there for drainage, because he's going to fill this with soil and rock to keep the upper pot stable, but also drain for the plantings he's going to put. And there's one big hole right there, and that's where the plug, or you know, the, I don't know what it's called, the cord for the pump will be going through. So if you drill a hole, you've got to make sure it's large enough for a plug to fit through it, an outdoor plug, so three-prong plug. And the little holes are for drainage, and don't worry about it, because you're supposed to have the drainage or you'll swamp your plantings. So that's a little update on how this is going to start to come together, and we'll keep you apprised of how it goes. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and please like and share and subscribe, and we'll be showing you more stuff really soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.